In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I create all of my viral content with this one AI tool. I've got over 20 million views on Instagram and grown my audience to over 100k followers. This one AI tool writes 90% of my viral content, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how I use this tool to create viral content that actually converts followers into clients. Let me be honest, I used to spend hours starting with a blank screen, trying to come up with some content ideas. I write all of the scripts, delete them, rewrite them, and it was honestly very exhausting. Running a content agency while trying to grow your personal brand, it meant for me that I needed to work 12-hour days just to keep up with content creation, and something had to change. And then I found Poppy AI. At first, I was very skeptical. How could AI write content that sounds exactly like me? And trust me, I've tried other AI tools like ChatGPT, but nothing seemed to work. But after trying out Poppy AI, it completely changed how I create content. What used to take me 3 to 4 hours takes me now 15 minutes. And the crazy part is the AI generated content often works better than the content that I wrote manually. So let me show you exactly how it works, and let's dive into my screen. So we are now inside of Poppy AI, and this is the template that I use. I have a bunch of other templates for clients, newsletters, everything that you basically need copywriting for, but this one is actually for my YouTube content and short form videos. So I just want to quickly show you how this works, because I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to actually copy this exact template. So you can just copy it and use it for your own content. So essentially how it works is, up here I have my own content, and I've trained this AI to actually understand how I speak and talk. Then we have the training, so the AI actually knows how to actually script short form content, and down here we have inspiration that we can generate content ideas from. So with that being said, let me show you how it actually works. So once you get into this board, you have my content, which is your content, you have the training, and then inspiration. So I want you to add in your own content up here. Once you have done that, you can go over to the chat and ask the chatbot, based on my content, how do I talk? And now it's gonna give you exactly how you talk, and we're training the AI to learn about how you actually talk in your own content. So it's gonna give you your speaking style and tone, communication patterns, language patterns, and so on. So it actually knows now how I speak and talk in my own content. And this is gonna allow the AI to actually be better at understanding how to actually script the videos, so it's gonna sound exactly like you and not an AI. Then the second thing we wanna do is actually train the AI on how to script short form content. So we're gonna ask the AI to analyze what's in this group and what goes into a viral video. And now it's gonna give us exactly what goes into a viral video, and it's gonna analyze my viral hooks, my viral script framework, and so on. And meanwhile, we can actually go to YouTube, because I wanna create some short form content from one of my previous YouTube videos. So let's go to YouTube, find my channel. Right here, go to channel. In today's video, we're gonna go to videos, and then we're gonna choose a video here. Let's take this one, for example, and just copy the link, go in and paste it in here. We're gonna drag it into this group and then name it video idea. And this is gonna help the AI to understand which video it actually needs to take the idea from. So now it roughly knows what goes into a viral video, and now we can actually ask the AI to generate some ideas for us from this video that I just placed in here. So I'm asking the AI to generate 3 short form content ideas from my video that has a note video idea on it. So I actually like this, the video outreach secret. This is a pretty good idea right here. So I'm just gonna copy it, and now we can actually start scripting the video. So I just gave it the prompt, and I'm asking the AI to script a short form video following the framework in the training group. I also want to have a strong hook and then go straight into the video, and I want it to be less than 40 seconds long. And then I gave it the actual idea, so the video outreach secret. And that's going to be the idea for the video. And now we can start scripting the video. So here's the script. It's very short and not too good, actually, because I actually forgot one thing. I need to ask the AI to script it in my tone of voice. So let's do that now. Can you script this video in my tone of voice? And now it's gonna script this video in my tone of voice. And now it's actually gonna sound like me. I already see like it's much better. I accidentally discovered a client hack so powerful it honestly feels illegal to share. Most video editors are sending hundreds of copy and paste DMs and get 0 replies. But here's the thing. I do the complete opposite. I make one personalized video and land 5K clients. Here's my exact process. So this is a very good script already. When I record my videos, I usually just read out the script and add some extra sauce that sounds like me. But this is honestly already super good. And it basically just took how I talk. It then took my video and then just made this script from this video and following the frameworks and the tips that I share here. And the thing is, like, you can train this AI to do whatever you want. You could just take like articles, documents, YouTube videos, and just paste them in here and train the AI to be an expert at whatever you need it to do. And yeah, the thing is, like, the more you train it, the better it's gonna be. This was a very quick video, so I would actually recommend for you to sit down 1 hour or so and just script a bunch of videos that you're not gonna post, but you're just gonna train the AI to script videos until you are happy with the results. And after that you're happy, you can just like always script the videos following the same framework, and the AI just knows, which is just crazy. Like a few years ago, like I tried ChatGPT and other tools, but the results were so bad, and everything just sounded like AI and not human at all. But with Poppy AI, when you can train the AI to actually sound like you, it changes everything. It's so incredibly good. If you still don't believe me that this tool is a game changer, this entire video was scripted by Poppy AI. And all of my content here on YouTube is actually written and scripted by Poppy AI. And to be honest, my content on YouTube has generated me tens of thousands of dollars. And the same thing goes for these reels right here. These are all generated with Poppy AI, and the performance is just crazy, and the conversions is even better. Poppy AI just allows me to pump out a lot more content without spending hours scripting and coming up with ideas. It's honestly just a game changer for me. If you want to try out Poppy AI, I left a link down below, and if you actually use the code Robin, you get $25 off. Also, comment down below if you want to see more ways how I use Poppy AI to actually grow my business. And with that being said, it's time to get back to work.